Good evening, investors. This is Stockmaster Talk here from GoldMedalPennyStocks.com, and we're taking a look at BETS, the Shawnee Mac International Incorporated. Last trading day was Wednesday, September 18th. We saw a previous close of 15 cents. We closed up last at 17 cents. That gives us an increase of 13.33% on a volume of 299,948 shares. BETS is looking really nice. I see a lot of really good indicators on this chart. I think we could see something pretty cool coming up in the near future. So let's get started. Our 14-day RSI is at 59.63. Very strong place to be between the 70 and the 50 and climbing. It's a very bullish indicator right there. On the dailies, we're seeing some nice patterns going on. We are right below the Bollinger Band, and we do have some support with that 12-day EMA. And we also are kind of exhibiting a little bit of a reverse head and shoulders pattern here, where you've got your head down here in the two shoulders. Usually leads to a breakout in my experience. Volume is looking really good. We have seen this climb up significantly lately, showing me that investors are interested in what's going on here. Moving on past that, the MACD is looking good as well. Just crossed over the signal line and climbing as well as bullish. 15-day tricks looking good, coming together with its signal line. I like to see that crossover here. If we see some good movement, that shouldn't be too hard to achieve. That'd be a good buy indicator for a lot of investors. On a more long-term scale, the 30-day tricks is looking just as good here, still above its signal line and climbing as well, continuing that bullish trend. The slow stochastic just passed above its signal line and the 80 at about the same time, kind of bounced off that signal line. Actually, it's currently resting at 89.96. That's the bullish region, and like to see that stay there for a little bit longer. The CCI is looking pretty good at 149.18. We're above the 100 and very bullish in that regard as well. Stochastic RSI looking good. The 14-day moving average is climbing up. We're at 42 and it continues to climb. Crossing over that 0.5 would be a good buy indicator for a lot of investors, and hopefully we can achieve that here soon. It shouldn't be too hard to get, as this has such a low float, and it should move really easily. The check money flow is dipped underneath the zero, but considering it had such a long run above, and then we did see a little bit of a couple red days up here, that's not too surprising to me, and it shouldn't be hard to overcome. We're not too far underneath it, just a couple good trades from investors. We should see that recover pretty nicely. ADX is looking good. We are continuing the divergence between positive and negative DI, and the ADX line itself is at 29.61 and gradually climbing, building some strength in that uptrend. AVO climbing up towards the zero, and like to see that crossover. It did cross over its zero line recently, which is a bullish indicator. Money flow index looking good at 58.59, continuing to climb. Once again, between that 80 and 50 is kind of the sweet spot to be in, especially with that increasing number there with the money flow index. The accumulation distribution charts are looking just as good. I really like how we saw this little spike up. That's telling me that investors are keeping their shares, they're holding on to them and buying them up. That's a really good sign. Like to see something come of that. On balance volume looking good as well, spiked up to match that accumulation distribution. Looking very good in my opinion. I think we could see something fantastic happen over the next couple days and into the future here with BETS. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and our mailer at www.GoldMedalPennyStocks.com. If you want to talk to me directly, just find me over on iHub. Just search Gold Medal Penny Stocks and look up Stockmaster Talk. Once again, thanks for watching. Good luck in the markets tomorrow and have a good night.